Ladies and gentlemen, we are jumping into TurboTax. I'm going to show you where you can get your EIN number from. So let us get into it. So if you have a W-2 form, you will find it on box B on your W-2 form. It's a 9-digit number with a dash just after the first 2 digits. Now, having a look now on the irs.gov, we're going to have a look for the W-2 form. And over here, you'll be able to see what it actually looks like. So here's our W-2 form over here, and we're going to just open this PDF. And basically, you'll be able to find this. And if you have not yet, or if you have already submitted your W-2 form and you haven't got it, you can actually go ahead and request it from your payroll department in your company. And if you're now employed by a different company, you can actually just file for a new W-2 form, and then you can import or enter your W-2 form when you actually are submitting your tax return. So that's actually what it looks like. It's this section over here. You can see that it says employee identification number. That's exactly where you'll be able to find it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.